Hello students, today we are going to start second chapter of maths, that is estimation. So basically what is estimation? Before going into detail what is estimation, I would like to take an example. I'm sure that you all watch cricket on your TV. Suppose a commentator said that today around 60,000 people are into the stadium. So what does that mean? Is it like 60,000 people are watching match? No, this is not the case. Basically the commentator is approximating the value. The people who are watching match can be 62,500, it can be 56,000, it can be 64,000. So in estimation or approximation, we will study the same thing, how to approximate the quantity. So basically estimation means to make an idea about quantities, to judge approximate size, cost, population, etc. So in this chapter you will study how to approximate or round off a number to its nearest tens, nearest hundred and nearest thousands. So start with our first topic, that is rounding off a number to nearest 10. There are some steps which you will follow to round off a number to nearest 10. Let's look at the steps. Our first step is see the digit at the unit place. Suppose there is a number 55. So our unit digit will be this 5. You have to consider this digit. Now, second step, if the digit is less than 5, replace unit digit by 0 and keep all the digits as they are. And if the unit digit is 5 or more than 5, increase the tens digit by 1 and replace unit digit by 0. Now take the example. Suppose my number is 542. So our first step is to check the unit digit. So in this case our unit digit is 2. So second step says that if my digit is less than 5, so we know that 2 is less than 5. So what will we will do? We will make this digit 0. So our answer will be 540. Take another example. Suppose our number is 932. Now our ones digit is 2 and 2 is less than 5. So our answer will be 930. Take one more example in which our unit digit is more than 5. Suppose my number is 936. Now my unit digit is more than 5. So what we will do, we will make this digit 0 and we will increase or we will add 1 to the next digit, that is 3. We will add 1 to 3 and 3 plus 1 is 4 and we will keep the digit next digit is as it is. We will write 9. So our answer will be 940. Now the next example is 568. So 568. 8 is more than 5, so we will write 0, then we will add 1 to 6, it will become 7 and we will write 5 as it is. So our answer will be 570. Now take one more example. Next number is 455. Now 5 is equal to 5, so we will write 0, Now we will add 1 to the 5, then 5 1 plus is 6, and we will write 4 as it is. So our answer will be 460. Now I hope that you all have learned how to round off a number to nearest 10. Now we will learn how we will round off a number to nearest 100. So to round off a number to nearest 100, we will take the tens digit. We will look at the tens digit. If the 10 digit is less than 5, we will make the tens digit 0 and we will make the unit digit 0, and we will write the digit which is at 100 place as it is. Or you can say, if the tens digit is less than 5, on the right hand side we will make all the digits 0, and on the left side we will write the digit as it is. Suppose my number is 123 and our tenth digit is 2. So the digits which are on the right side, we will make them 0. We will make 3 0, we will make 2 0, and we will write 1 as it is. So our answer will be 100. Take one example. My number is 549. So we will check the tenth digit. So our tenth digit is 4. It is less than 5. So we will make this 0. We will make the right digit also 0, and we will write the next digit as it is, that is 5. So our answer is 500. Take one more example. 634. We will check the tenth digit, that is 3. It is less than 5. We will make it 0. We will make it next digit 0, and we will copy the same next digit as it is 6. So our answer will be 600. Now what if our tenth digit is more than 5? So if our tenth digit is more than 5, we will increase the 100th digit by 1, and we will write all the digit as 0. Check one example. Suppose our number is 564. We check tenth digit, that is 6, and it is more than 5. So we will make all the digit 0, and we will add 1 into the 100 digit. 5 plus 1 is 6. So our answer will be 600. Take one more. 852. We will check tenth digit, that is 5. 5 is equals to 5. So we will make this 0. We will make this 0, and we will add 1 into the 100 digit. 8 plus 1 is 9. So our answer will be 900. So I hope you understand this, how to round off a number to the nearest 100. Now we will understand how to round off a number to the nearest 1000. It has the same concept. Now you will check the digit at the 100 place. If the digit at the 100 place is less than 5, you will replace all the digit on the right side to 0, and on the left side you will write the same digit. See one example. Suppose my number is 2349, and you have to round off this number to nearest 1000. So I will check the 100 digit, that is 3, and it is less than 5. So we will make all the digits on the right side to 0, and on the left side we will write the same digit, that is 2. So our answer will be 2000. Take one more example. My number is 5432. I will check the 100 digit, that is 4, we know that 4 is less than to 5, so we will make this 0, and this 0, and we will write the digit as it is. So our answer will be 5000. So next, if our 100 digit is more than 5 or equal to 5, so if our 100 digit is 5 or more than 5, we will write zeros to the right of the all the digits, and we will add 1 to the thousands digit, or we can say 1 to the digit which is on the left side. Take one example, like my number is 5629. So we know that this is 100 digit, and this is more than 5, 6 is more than 5, so we will write zeros to the right side, and we will add 1 to the left side or to the thousand digit, and we know 5 plus 1 is 6, so our answer will be 6000. Take one more example, my number is 7536. We will check the 100 digit, that is 5, and 5 is equal to 5, so we will make all the digits as zeros, and we will add 1 to the thousand digit, that is 7 plus 1 8, so our answer will be 8000. So I hope that you understand how to round off a number to the nearest 10, nearest 100, and nearest 1000. This is very simple topic. If the number is less than 5, you make all the digits 0. If the number is more than 5, you add 1 to the left of the digit. So in the next video, we will solve some exercise questions. Till then, practice this concept and try to remember all the steps. Thank you.